वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल टीचर्स ज्ञान। मैं हूं आपका दोस्त शेख इमरान अहमद। उम्मीद करता हूं कि आप तमाम खैर आफियत से होंगे। दोस्तों, पिछले कुछ दिनों से हमारे वीडियोस रेगुलरली अपलोड नहीं हो पा रहे हैं। कुछ ज़ाती मसरूफियत थी, उस वजह से मैं यूट्यूब से जुड़ नहीं सका। लेकिन दोस्तों, इन दिनों में आपने जो इंटरेस्ट बताया है वो हमारे लिए मोटिवेशन बना है। तो इसीलिए हम एक नई एनर्जी के साथ और एक स्ट्रैटेजी के साथ एक कोर्स बनाने जा रहे हैं और एक आज आपके सामने एक कोर्स लॉन्च होने जा रहा है जिसका नाम है बेसिक फाउंडेशन कोर्स फॉर मैथ्स। तो दोस्तों, इसी के साथ आपको एक खुशखबरी भी मैं देने जा रहा हूं कि टीचर्स ज्ञान की टीम के साथ एक और एक्सपर्ट का इजाफा होने जा रहा है। तो चलिए मैं आपको उनसे मिलाता हूं। हमारे साथ जो जुड़ने जा रहे हैं वो है सब्जेक्ट एक्सपर्ट जनाब मोहम्मद जावेद खान। मैं टीचर्स ज्ञान के स्टूडियो में तहे दिल से, दिल की अमीर गहराइयों से मैं उनका इस्तकबाल करता हूं। तो चलिए दोस्तों, मिलते हैं मोहम्मद जावेद खान से।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। माई सेल्फ मोहम्मद जावेद खान। आई टेक इमेंस प्लेजर इन ज्वाइनिंग YouTube channel for educational purpose, that is Teachers GYAN. I hope our experience of sharing knowledge continues for a long time. Alright then, we are going to talk about a subject which is the most loved subject as well as which is considered as one of the most difficult subjects in school life. That is mathematics. It is a very known fact that mathematics is considered as queen of all the subjects, as all the subjects are depend upon the mathematics. So it is essential for every student to get the basic knowledge of mathematics and have a knowledge about them. Mathematics can be made easy by learning all the basic concepts of mathematics. If we learn the basic concepts of mathematics, then it will become a very easy subject. So for this purpose, we have drafted one program which is named as Basic Foundation Course for Mathematics. In this program, we are going to teach you all the basic concepts of mathematics with animations. The main motto or objective of our program is to strengthen the basic concepts among the high school children, and it is also, the concepts are also useful for the students, those who are appearing for the different various competitive examinations. The speciality of our course, that is Basic Foundation Course in Mathematics, is that it will be explained in English as well as in Urdu. So it is beneficial for the students of English medium as well as the students of Urdu medium. Our Basic Foundation course has been divided into different topics through which we can give you all the basic knowledge of mathematics. I will give you the brief introduction about the topics which we are going to deal in this course. So let us see the names of the topics. The name of the very first topic is number system, जिसे हम उर्दू में कहते हैं अददी निज़ाम. And the next chapter which will be followed is integers, सही आदात. Then the next is basic geometrical ideas, geometry के बुनियादी तस्वुरात. And the next is we have geometry, and the next chapter is fractions, kasur. Then the next chapter is algebra. Then we will deal with quadrilaterals, जिसे हम उर्दू में कहते हैं कसीर ज़िलाई. Then next we are going to deal with mensuration, masahat. Then we have the next chapter is data handling, shumariyat. Then at last we have elementary shapes, bunyadi ashkal. And there are many other concepts which we are going to deal in this course. So stay updated with us and don't forget to subscribe, like and share our videos with your friends. Thank you.